All right, we're going to now talk about the 9-10 exchange on the abacus. Remember, the 9-10 exchange is when you have the value of 9 set against your abacus, set against the horizontal counting bar, and you need to continue adding. So you exchange the 1-10 bead for the 9 1 beads. That's the 9-10 exchange. So we're going to start very simply. We're going to add 8 plus 2. So you set your 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're teaching kids the counting method, you can do it one of two ways. I think I mentioned this earlier. You can count up to 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or if they're capable, just have them set the 8 beads. Okay, now we're going to add 2 to that. So we've got 8, and we're going to count 1. There are no more beads to move in this column, so we're going to have to go do the 9-10 exchange, basically borrow, like borrowing in print. So we're going to set the 10 bead and clear the 9, count of 9. Okay, so that's 8 plus 2. And the answer is 10. The next problem we're going to work for the 9-10 exchange is 76 plus 15. So we're going to set our 76 and we're going to add 15 to it. We're going to add 1, 2, 3, 9, 10 exchange 4, 5, and then we're going to add the 10 in the number 15. So that's 10, and the abacus now reads 91. 76 plus 15 is 91. The next sample problem we're going to do is 642 plus 162. First thing we do is add our 2. So that's 1, 2. We did not need to do any exchanges. The next thing we need to add is 60. So we're going to start in the tens column and add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We still need to keep adding, so we're going to do a 9-10 exchange here for 60. The last thing we need to add is 100, so we set a 100 bead. And the answer is 804.